Hello friends, welcome once again to our channel. My name is Sam, and today's video we're going to look at the Ripple, guys. And I believe you are not freaking out on the Bitcoin move, because yesterday we talked about the Bitcoin and where we're expecting a reversal, and you can see that the market exactly reached that point and actually is reversing currently now, and that is what is going on. And I wouldn't want it to be panicking, because anything that goes up comes down, and this is just a correction phase that is going on. So what we're expecting in Bitcoin, which I will show you now, is what we anticipated. All right, so don't freak out. All right, anytime you're in profit, you can secure using a stop loss and stuff like that. All right, so let's dive into the chart. Let's first of all look at Bitcoin before we do a top-down analysis on Ripple and see how we can position ourselves for the next wave. All right, so let's dive in, guys. And so yesterday we were here, we were here in this space here. So I was telling you that we're expecting a test to this, and actually I can see now there is a weak candle. It actually closed where this arrow ended yesterday. So we closed here yesterday. So where are we expecting here? Now, anytime there is a breakout of this, so most times there might be a retest to this, guys. There might be a retest to this. So after this retest, then Bitcoin continues going down. All right, so in a long term, the bearish is still very much available. Okay, so but in a short term there will be a hard retest. So this hard retest doesn't mean it's going to break out. No, it's just retesting this and also giving us a perfect structure that we know for a massive plunge. All right, for a massive plunge. That is on Bitcoin. So because yesterday we made it clear to you guys that we might likely retest 19,000 range, guys. 19,000 range. So this is what we're expecting. That's what might happen. Something like this might happen in Bitcoin, because you can see now on the daily, Bitcoin has established a trend in the negative side. So just bear in mind that we might have something like this playing out on Bitcoin. And if this thing happens based on the fear and panicking, it might go below this. Okay, it might go below 19,000 more and stuff like that. But looking at it from the weekly, I don't think it might go below that, because I look at it from here, I might see that this is just something that might want to play out here. Okay, and there we go. Something like this might play out from the weekly. Okay, which is likely. So pay very good attention. So if you have been holding Bitcoin since 10,000 stuff and that, I think wisdom demands you take profit. So if you go to 4 hours, let's see whether we have a trend here. Okay, so it's not that too clear here, because it's just starting this trend. So I think from 1 hour it might be more clear. Very good. So here we are looking at it from the hourly chart, 1 hour chart. So we have like this 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're expecting it to retest this white line, then give us a correction for the upper move, or comes down from here before going out. So these are the two things we're expecting. Either it gives us a running flat here, start going up, or you make a deeper pullback, all right, before going up. So but we're expecting definitely a retracement from this point. Okay, a retracement from this way. You can see it's already there. So let's observe it first. Let's watch on this before taking the next action. Okay, let's watch on it before taking the next action. That's on Bitcoin, guys. Nothing much there now. All right, so today we're dedicating this video to Ripple. All right, so let's look at Ripple and see what we can drive from it. Now, Ripple has been a very good one, and obviously we have been on profits. So, but let's look at it critically. You can see that anything that affects Bitcoin in most cases affects every altcoins. Okay, anything that affects Bitcoin affects altcoins. So this is daily. Let's stick on daily, and this is what the market will be doing and might be doing. And what we're expecting from Ripple now is based on this structure that I formed yesterday. This is a sell-off, a wave. This is a retracement, so we can't call this B wave. So 1, 2, 3 is what we're expecting. Okay, so after that we have, okay, let me change color so that you might get it clear. So we have one, we have this sell-off. All right, so we have one, we have this, so making it a B wave. So this will be a B wave. Then after that we are getting the next sell-off. Okay, so expect this next sell-off, guys, on Ripple that will complete this, making it A, B, C. All right, expect this next sell-off, and this next sell-off might be more aggressive. Okay, might be more aggressive. That will complete this structure, guys, before we'll start seeing more bullish season. Okay, because before now we've been expecting this wave to break out on this, but it didn't happen. So because of that, the market will spend a lot of time here, okay, completing this before coming down. Let me show you exactly when this thing has happened in the past already. So if you take a look of last December, I think this one really panicked a lot of guys. So look at what happened last December here. We had this fast sell-off. This one retraced, and it comes down sharply like this, tagging this low, and pull back, and there we go. So this is equivalent to this. So we have A, B, C. Okay, and from there the market has been coming up. So the same thing likely might happen, but the magnitude of it we can't tell now, but definitely something like that will play out. So we don't know how deep this might go, but the only way we know is that you might take a look from, let's measure this from here to here. You can see. So expect something like this, guys. Expect something like this. It might be very sluggish, but just expect something like this, that after this is completed, you'll be having a downfall on Ripple. Okay, so let's put that on daily. If you go to 4 hours, so we can start following this. So you're just starting, nothing much there. So we go to 1 hour. Okay, you can see now the market is just trying to establish a trend for the bull side. We're just trying to establish the trend. So having seen the trend, so what we're expecting is that this market will definitely break out this. So let's watch it break it out. So if it comes down like this, then if you're interested, you can take this trade up, tagging that before we're seeing that sell-off. Okay, so this is what we're expecting on Ripple, guys. Okay, this is what we're expecting. So from the whole indication of things now, they can see now that I think the bull cycle of this phase is coming to an end, if not ended already. So the market is just trying to panic, guys, and so this is the best time for you to be cautious in your trading and always book profits. Okay, you're in profit to book profit. So let's trade carefully now, because, guys, things might be playing out, in the positive and negative side of markets if care is not taken. So, but in a nutshell, expect this. This has happened many times like this. Okay, something like this has happened. I think we've seen that in many coins. So just be expect, and this wave might not really be that aggressive. Just something like this, and there we go. Okay, all right. So just let's watch it, guys. So that's just on Ripple. Just on Ripple. We're expecting that if you take a look from it here now, you can see we had, where did it start? See that here? We have this. It's a phase up, 2, another phase up, 3, then phase up. So we're having this. That might be W, X, Y, X, Z. So there's still one more phase that will taking us, Okay, so we'll just be hopeful that that phase comes later this year, guys. Okay, because this correction, just like this one, took like obviously This one took from January to April before this phase completed here. Okay, so the same thing applies here. The corrective sign might be that big before the next phase comes up. All right, guys, so if you have any question concerning this, kindly let me know. And just like let me leave you with this note, you know, when people are fearful, just be greedy. Like yesterday, a lot of guys were afraid, so you just need to be greedy, because if you have bought yesterday, you should have bought very low price. Okay, but don't try to catch a falling knife. Always wait for a rebound. Okay, wait for a rebound. Okay, we traded 2 coins yesterday. We traded Luna, and I took profit here. I shorted it from here. We took profit from here. I think we traded CRV, traded it from here. We took profit from here. Okay, so these are the 2 coins we shorted, and we took profit here. It was a massive gain, guys, because we identified the structure and we position ourselves on that. So that is how market moves. Nothing goes in a straight line. All right, guys, I wish you the best. Remain profitable, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys. Please kindly give this video a thumb up and subscribe to this channel. Click on that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.